Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150LEDs.com. Today we have our Bronco here in the shop. We're going to be showing you how to switch out that dim and dingy rear cargo light that's in the trunk area of your Bronco for our super bright CREE XBD LED cargo light. This kit is a simple plug and play install, and we're going to jump into it right now. So to make this install a little bit easier for us, we're going to go ahead and raise the soft top up a little bit. To raise the soft top, there's two latches on each side of the top that you just press up on and then lift forward. Then there's a little kickstand here that you let down, and then now we can a little bit easier get to our light right here. All right, to remove this light, you can either take a pry tool and pry from the side here, but we found an easier way, and that's to pull back on this plastic trim piece a little bit and then reach from behind, and you can just give it some firm pressure on the back of the housing and it'll pop out like so. Once you've done that, there's a push tab right here you'll press and the OEM light will disconnect. We're going to take our light from F150LEDs.com, slide it into place, you'll hear it click, know it firmly seated. And then we'll push this wire back behind and then press the housing into place like so, and we're good to go. So that's all there is to installing this rear cargo light on your Ford Bronco. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing LED custom technology for your Ford truck at F150LEDs.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, that way you don't miss any of our latest news or products for your Ford truck. We truly appreciate your support and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks guys.